Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to do Hocus Pocus trickshot. Hocus Pocus is 5-star rating dribbling skill. Make sure that the player also has 5 stars of dribbling to perform it. To perform it while running upwards, you have to push analog like this. To do the same thing when running downwards, push the analog in opposite direction. If you want to do it when running to the right side, you have to push analog left, upwards, downwards. But do it quickly. And similarly, if you are running to the left direction, do it opposite to previous one. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.